hell is that?
What the hell is that, Cletus?
Hey, you kids! Don't put your lips on that thing!
You know what the hell that is? Oh, I know what the hell that is. Ah, Buford. You don't know what the hell that is.
I know what it is.
What the hell is that?
What the hell is that dong dang thing?
Now, first off, Cletus, I know what the hell that is. And second, it's not dang dong, it's ding dong.
Well, I'll give you a ding dong. What the hell?
Cletus, there's something wrong with you, boy.
Your friendly neighborhood Porch Philosophizers at your service. Right good now. You dig?
Shit. What the hell?